So I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Apple AirPods 3rd Gen, aka the AirPods 3. Now, I'm super excited to check these things out. Just got them in the mail this morning. Price-wise, they sell for $180. So they're kind of a mid-range accessory. Now, I want to go over some of the things that haven't changed with these AirPods and cover some of the things that have. And really what remains unchanged about the AirPods 3 is the ease of use and deep integration with the ecosystem of devices from Apple, including, your iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple TV, and Apple Watch. So if you're already living in Apple's world of, different devices, then getting these make a lot of sense. Now, as far as the box design goes, they look pretty nice. We've got some pull tabs here. It looks like we've got a MagSafe charging case on the top of it, it says, which is cool. But let's get the pull tabs off, open these things up, and take a look at the AirPods 3rd Gen. Okay, cool. All right, so what do we got in here? Probably a little user manual, I'm assuming. Yep, that's pretty cool. So like a little instruction packet here, looks like for connecting, which I imagine won't be too difficult, but I guess maybe people out there will have some issues if you've never used some AirPods before. Okay, and here we go. All right, I'm gonna put it down just for a second. There should be like a cable in here. It's pretty tight in there, actually. There we go. All right, took me a second. Okay, looks like a little charging cord, and that's it, guys. So that's what comes in it. Now, let's take a look at the charging case and take a look at these AirPods. Get some more plastic here. Okay, so the charging case is very small. I don't have the AirPods 2 on me, but I know that this is a little bit smaller on the charging case. I mean, clearly easy enough to carry around, throw in your pocket. Now let's get the actual AirPods out, and they are magnetized, so they kind of fit in there pretty tight. And I like the design. I'm gonna actually hold them up to the camera so you guys can see them. If you have any questions about these two as I'm, going over them, feel free to message me below in the comments. But yeah, I mean, design looks nice. You've got some different controls for tapping as far as like playing, stopping things, which we'll check out in a second. Now, I do want to say battery life on these, 6 hours of charging time, and then the battery case itself gets 30 hours. And looks like I needed to update my iPhone, so bear with me for a second here, guys. All right, I am going to skip through this. And before we get more into this, I want to recommend everyone check out the Binance US app. Now, this is my go-to cryptocurrency trading app that I highly recommend checking out, especially if you're not in crypto right now. Now, cryptocurrency is a great way to make money using your phone. So if you guys want to learn more about Binance US or get started, we'll have some bonus sign-up and resource links in both the description and comments. Okay, so I ran that update, and the AirPods 3 are now connected, which we're going to see in our Bluetooth settings. Now, as far as being able to change some things, you can actually do that when you go into your Bluetooth and then click on the little icon where there's an option tab. As far as battery life goes, a tip that I recommend doing, and I actually use these for previous Apple earbuds and headphones in the past, add the battery widget, and it's going to pull up how much battery life is left on these AirPods 3, and it looks like we're pretty much fully charged because I just opened them up. Now, I do want to actually recommend another pair of earbuds that Apple released in 2021. We've got this Studio Buds right here, which I actually wanted to compare real quick because they're a little bit cheaper. And the thing I liked about these Beats Studio Buds is you have some different color options. One of the things that would be really nice about the AirPods, if they gave some different color options, right? So you can actually see the AirPods are a little bit longer on the bottom, but color option wise, the Beats Studio Buds come in 3 different colors. I like red. I mean, there's nothing wrong with white, but it would be nice if, Apple had some different color options. Now, as far as putting them back in the case, they are magnetized. It's a little bit tricky to put them back in this case because they're a little bit bigger, but if you maneuver it around, you'll figure it out. You know, I am going to be doing some more on these, probably use them with some different phones for you guys. But as far as like connecting to the iPhone 13, very easy. I also forgot to point out I've got that cool Superman wallpaper going on right here. And yeah, I mean, the Beats Studio Buds are also a nice alternative to getting the AirPods, and they're a little bit cheaper. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, I was excited to get these in the mail this morning. We'll be doing more on them in future videos. Thanks for watching it, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.